PLR Funnels Review. Introducing 52 private label, pre-built funnels. Launch your profitable online business in minutes. Review, Russell Brunson's Ready to Launch Funnels Masterclass. Introduction. Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs. Today, I'm excited to share my review of Russell Brunson's Ready to Launch Funnels Masterclass. If you're looking to level up your online business game, this review is for you. Russell Brunson, alongside Paul Counts and Shreya Banerjee, is offering a free masterclass that claims to provide you with 52 ready-to-launch funnels. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Design and quality. First off, let's talk about the design and quality of the masterclass. The website and presentation are top-notch. It's clear that a lot of effort went into making the information easily accessible and visually appealing. The interface is user-friendly, even for those without technical or marketing skills. Key features and functionality. Russell Brunson's masterclass offers a treasure trove of key features and functionalities. The main highlight is the 52 ready-to-launch funnels, complete with finished products, sales letters, upsells, email sequences, ads, and more. The beauty of this is that you can change your payment link and keep 100% of the profits. No need for tech skills, marketing expertise, or even your own product. In this masterclass, you'll learn why private label funnels are the quickest way to start making sales almost instantly, how to get your hands on pre-built, private label funnels for free, including all the necessary elements, the step-by-step process of plugging these funnels into your ClickFunnels account, where all you have to do is tweak the order button. It's like having a done-for-you business. Comparison with similar products. Now, let's see how this masterclass stacks up against similar products in the market. While there are other courses and resources out there, what sets this apart is the sheer volume of ready-to-launch funnels provided. Plus, the hands-on approach and clear instructions make it accessible to anyone, even if you're just starting your online business journey. Pros and cons. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. Pros. Access to 52 pre-built funnels. No need for tech or marketing skills. Incredible value for a free masterclass. Clear and concise instructions. Suitable for beginners and experienced entrepreneurs. Cons. Limited bandwidth for the free virtual event, so you need to act fast. The focus on ClickFunnels might not suit everyone's platform preferences. Why this product stands out. The standout feature of this masterclass is its accessibility. It's designed to help anyone, regardless of their background or expertise, create a thriving online business. The 52 ready-to-launch funnels are a game-changer, providing a shortcut to success that's hard to find elsewhere. User experiences and testimonials. I scoured the web for genuine user experiences and testimonials, and the consensus is overwhelmingly positive. Many participants have reported significant growth in their online businesses after implementing what they learned in the masterclass. The hands-on approach and ready-to-launch funnels have been praised repeatedly. Tips and tricks. To get the most out of this masterclass, here are some tips and tricks. Take thorough notes during the presentation. Don't hesitate to ask questions during the Q&A sessions. Act quickly to secure your spot for the free virtual event due to limited bandwidth. Implement what you learn as soon as possible to see results. FAQ section. Q. Is this masterclass suitable for beginners? A. Absolutely. It's designed to be accessible for those with no prior experience. Q. Do I need my own product to benefit from this? A. Not at all. The provided funnels can be adapted for various niches and products. Q. Is it really free, or are there hidden costs? A. It's genuinely free, but there may be optional upgrades discussed during the masterclass. Conclusion. In conclusion, Russell Brunson's Ready-to-Launch Funnels Masterclass is a game-changer for anyone looking to kickstart or grow their online business. The abundance of resources, clear instructions, and positive user experiences make it a valuable opportunity. While there are some limitations, like limited event bandwidth, the pros far outweigh the cons. If you're ready to take your side hustle to the next level without doing all the work, this masterclass is a must-attend. Don't miss out on this chance to supercharge your online business journey. So, what are you waiting for? And get ready to transform your online business today. Register for our free masterclass and unleash the power of 52 private label, pre-built funnels. See you there.